AMD are not slowing down, because after the show-stopping release of the brand new Radeon RX 90 series cards, which were bricking retailer systems worldwide, they finally announced an update on those brand new CPUs they teased back at CES, their insane 16-core 9950X3D and a 12-core 9900X3D. And if what they said at CES is true, well, these are going to have some pretty impressive performance. And at least Team Red's track record with truthfulness at a trade show is now better than Nvidia's. And you can get your hands on these pretty soon, given how they're launching on the 12th of March, with the 9950X3D costing you $700 and the 9900X3D costing $600. That is a pretty significant increase in price over what you can get the base 16-core 9950X for now. Though given how these CPUs are always a smash hit, and given how well the 9800X3D has been selling, they'll probably have no problems moving these ones either. However, what I'm worried about is exactly how the value proposition of these chips is going to change, given how games are becoming less and less CPU bound, and remember that productivity just isn't impacted that much by the additional cache on these CPUs. With the amount of people running monitors with a high resolution and 1080p drastically increasing every single day, it means that the usefulness of these CPUs is really at 1080p high refresh rate monitors, given how we can have up to 500 or 1000 Hz displays now, as well as 4040p, but not really to the same extent. But I want to hear your thoughts on these then. Are you going to be picking one up? Well, let me know down in the comments below. And down there you're also going to find a Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way to help us bribe AMD to finally send us review samples early. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Broniak, Balash Voka, Patrick Harrison, not a student in Mix, Submachine, Allcroft, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.